The Middle East and North Africa are popular winter sun destinations, and most visits are trouble-free. Countries including Morocco, Jordan and the United Arab Emirates are largely considered to be safe. But there are warnings for other countries. Egypt's eastern flank is considered safe, but the Foreign Office warns against travel to North Sinai, where an IS-affiliated group called Sinai Province is active. Sharm el-Sheikh is the only part of the Sinai Peninsula deemed safe. The government in Tunisia says Libya is a source of security threats, and since the terrorist attack near Sousse in June, the Foreign Office has advised against all but essential travel to Tunisia. Turkey, too, is considered to be largely safe, but there is a threat from groups including the Al-Nusra Front, IS and the Kurdish PKK. There have been bombings in Ankara and near the Syrian border, and the Foreign Office advises against travel to that area.